I looked outside. I saw that like most of the chickens were in the run, which is odd. And I came out and the fucking coyote was back. So I lured the other 2 chickens in with treats. Thankfully, they know what chirp chirp means, they know what their treats are, and they came in very willingly. And they're just gonna stay in here. I'm so glad this run's here. Thank you, Todd. Cannot decide whether or not to let the chickens out or when I should let them out. I'm not gonna keep them in the run forever. But predators. Expectation all along has been that they wouldn't all survive. You know, I wanted 6 chickens. I ordered 9, expecting 25% to die. They sent us 12. We haven't lost any yet. So why not just leave them in the run? I don't know. I just always wanted them to be like pasture raised and be happy chickens, and they're definitely at their happiest when they're roaming around. If all of them start getting eaten though, then, you know, like, just gonna keep starting over? It doesn't make sense. That was just somebody's cat. I still ran it off with a shovel.
Isaac, where have you been all night?
So we lost our first chicken yesterday to a hawk. We almost made it an entire year without losing one, which is pretty remarkable. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious that I love my chickens. I love having them around, but it's a chicken. Like, I'm not, you know, it didn't like wreck my day or anything. The chicken was too fat for the hawk to carry off, so he just like took it down on the ground. I don't know. I came up after the fact, thankfully, so I didn't have to like see the chicken in pain or anything like that. That definitely would have been harder. And the hawk was fucking big. So hopefully the other chickens learned a little something.
Guys, back up. Bite you.
No, I don't mean grab them. I mean just.
I think this is fun.